Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on my 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. We are replacing the purge valve solenoid. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll go over some tools you'll need here in just a moment. Some tools you need for this DIY is just going to be your replacement part. That's my part right there. And then a pick. Let's get started. To get started, you want to go ahead and pop your hood. Your purge valve solenoid is right here. Next to your battery. So coming in from the top, I'm just going to put this rag right here. Try to not get so messy, but you'll see it right here. There's a tab. There's a push tab. Might not be able to see it, but where my thumb is, if you push it in, it should slide off. See? Now you're gonna obviously disconnect that harness. As I mentioned earlier, this is the tab that I pushed in with my left thumb, and it swivels off that little placeholder. To take this off, the red tab, you're going to push the tab over like that, and then you push this tab down here, push and pull. Okay. I'm going to take one of those little hook tools right here, wedge it in that hose, loosen it up. Same thing with this other one. And just kind of slowly wiggle them off. You get the idea though. Wiggle these off. So I had to put on some WD-40. It's on there pretty good, so that's the only way I was able to get mine off. Just examining my old one, and gonna go ahead and replace it with my new one. Okay. Well, it looks the same. I'm gonna go ahead and get it reinstalled. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall my new unit right here onto the replacement area. I'm going to stop the video here because I do try to keep my videos as short as I can. If you like this video, make sure to give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave your question and comments below for the group. Thanks.